Let's be honest. It's got that bit of crack. What to say, it's an amazing building. You're gonna have to be really careful. Just put the camera down a little bit. Hi folks, this is a very quick video at Redhills Road. Fabrications Limited. I've actually done it before, but this is just a short video. I'm just trying out me camera I brought. It's a DJI Pocket, not the Pocket 1, 2 or 3, it's just a normal Pocket. Anyway, I'll just show you inside. There isn't much to see, but like I said, if you're new to this channel, please like or subscribe, or please share. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit inside. Hi folks, back again. Like I said, I've been an old factory at Aluminium Works. It did actually close in 2017. Like I said, there was a major fire here in 2017, so basically just after 2017 it closed down. Let's have a quick look inside, eh? Like I said, it's only a short video, just testing out the new camera. Like I said, I don't know what this camera's going to be like, to be honest. Right, I'll be back in 2 seconds. So I'm back again, just like the camera was it was tilting up in the bloody sky, wasn't it? I'm not sure if I'll put this on YouTube yet because I need to check out the footage, see if it's any good or not. Like I said, I'm just using the Pocket 3 to see what this turns out like. Like I think about year August 23rd of 1942, this aluminium works was targeted by the Germans, as on Google it says. In 1942 the Germans tried to bomb this place, if I'm correct. But however, the surrounding areas in Ambient, nearby industrial sites, that's what I've looked up. Yeah, they were dropping bombs near Ambient area and other surrounding areas apparently. Anyway, that's what's left of the aluminium works. I'm going to have a quick walk down there and then I'll see you in the next half. But like I said, if you're new to the channel, please like or subscribe, and I do appreciate your comments. Anyway, speak to you in a bit. Hi folks, back again. Inside another part as well before I go. I think there's one more place to go and that's it. And that's what it looks like now. To be honest, I think they should build something here, to be honest. Like I said, I did film here yesterday, but it started absolutely belting down with rain, so I thought I'd just come back and do another one. Like I said, it's not a great deal here to see, to be fair. I think what I'll do, I'll pause it here. I think there's another little part and then I think I'll end the video there, to be honest. Like I say, it's only a short, sweet one. Like I said, if anyone can remember, I don't think many people remember, to be honest. If anyone's was living around this end in 1942, they can actually remember the Germans actually bombing near this end and near Ambient. Like I said, I've done this place before, but I thought I'd give it another go. I tell you what, somebody loved the plastic bottles, didn't they? What a waste of space, eh? Just left here and nothing's getting done about it. That looks like some kind of conveyor belt by the looks of it. By the looks of it, folks, looks like a conveyor belt or something. They're the rollers anyway. Anyway, I'm going to pause it here and then see if I think there's another part to see, and that's it. And that'll be end of my video. In Staffordshire, an old factory just gone. Anyway, I'll see you in the next half. Bye for now. Hi folks, back again. Like I said before, I think in World War II, roughly about 1942, I think they were trying to bomb this place. But I think, I'm not 100% sure, I think they were trying to bomb the railway line and accidentally hit a house in Ambient. So I'm not 100% sure if they were trying to bomb here or try and bomb the line, so they couldn't do whatever they were doing. But I'm sure, I'm not 100% sure that they were doing ammunition here, but I'm not. I looked up on Google, but I can't see anything. But they did actually try bomb this place, or try to. Oh. I'm not getting that other building because I'm not sure there's squatters in there, so I'm leaving it. Can't exactly go in there either because of the tree. If I can squeeze through here. Crazy, eh? Crazy. Well, there you go folks, anyway. Just a short video of an old factory in Staffordshire. I'm not sure, but I think it got burnt down twice. I'm not 100% sure if it's once or twice. I think it closed in about the year 2017, I'm not sure as well. Well, like I said, I do appreciate comments, but if you know more stuff about this place, please leave a comment below and please share this video. As you know, I love my history, but sometimes it's hard trying to find history about certain buildings and places. But I did actually see a picture on Google somewhere, and they got like women in a factory in this place in 1942. Like I said before, this new camera, if it doesn't look good, I won't be posting. And I was actually going to send my drone up, but it's a bit windy, to be honest. Not taking a chance. Tell you what, surprising what a fire can do, can't it? A fire, an explosion, whatever. Like I said, it's not a great deal to see here, but like I said, I've done it before, and I just want to do another return to the factory. It's not cold today for a change. A bit windy, but it's not cold. Anyway, folks, I'm going to leave the video here to the next one. I've just got to think of places to go, to be honest. That's why I've returned to here, because I can't think of anywhere else to go. Like I said, I do appreciate comments and everything. I'm not a massive YouTuber, but I do like showing people around Stoke-on-Trent, different places. Anyway, gonna go. Like I said, it doesn't cost a thing to hit that button, that like button, share the video, or subscribe. Subscribe. Can't get me weird out here. Anyway, I'm going to end the video here and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.